And let's say now I have this app idea, and I have, let's say, 10 functioning things that I want to add. Like I want to add like a like button. I want to add follow, share, and whatnot. Why do you put such a large emphasis on scoping when it comes to at the early stage of building this MVP product for the founder to figure out what features are important for the app and what features should be removed? How do you go through that process?
Okay. So good question. So just before I answer that question, so a lot of founders think they that their platform, whatever it is, their product needs a whole lot of features, but in reality, it probably needs less features than they think. And sometimes it's a little bit of an ego thing. They want to have more in the platform than what's actually needed. So why we want to keep the features to a minimum is because we want to get to market quickly. We want to build something simple, design and build something simple, get it out there, get people to test it, get people to use it, and then go, yeah, this has got some value. It's solving a problem, or, there's some positive feedback and people want something like this. So in order to know what features or functionality that could be included or should be included, there's quite a nice framework called the Moscow framework, right? So this has got nothing to do with the city of Russia, by the way. It's an effective framework for basically prioritizing features that should be included in the MVP. So you've got a whole bunch of features that you want to build, like you said, I don't know, follow, like, whatever. There's maybe loyalty features, maybe there's reporting features, maybe there's integrations with third-party platforms, maybe dashboards down the line and automated procedures, things like that. So all these features are grouped into four categories, and this is kind of where the name Moscow comes from, right? So you've got the M for Moscow, which means must have. So these are basically essential features that the MVP, it can't function without these. So these features address the core problem and basically aid the product in delivering its main value. So you can think of these must-have features in a way that if they weren't included in the product is unusable. So for example, if you have like a food delivery app, let's use, I don't know, Mr. Delivery or Uber Eats for those overseas who don't know what Mr. Delivery is. Without order placement and payment processing, like, you have no food delivery app. So these are like two must-have features, right? So that's the M for Moscow. Then you've got the S, so MOS. So this is should have. So this is an important feature, but it's not critical, but it still enhances the value of the app and the user experience.